you're using the same command, and the rounding here is just rounding them to 3 decimal places. Okay, so these are the actual values. And you can check those in R, and the code for doing that is given in the notes. So you can also calculate the deviance residuals. So we've got this formula for the DIs. So these were the contributions to the deviance, which are the squares of the deviance residuals. So we can use that formula to obtain the square roots of the DIs using this rather complicated looking bit of code, but that is just taking the square roots of the values that we get using the formula at the top of the page. Now we get these numbers. These numbers are all positive. So that's because they're square roots, and R obviously always takes this positive square root by default. So these are not the deviance residuals themselves. The deviance residuals have that multiplication by the sign of the yi minus mu hat I. So will be negative if yi was less than mu hat I. And if we do that, if we actually do that, we can get negative values, and those will match what you get in R. And now for residuals, deviance residuals, you have deviance as the option instead of Pearson. Okay, so in tomorrow's lecture, I'll do the very last little bit of chapter 3, which is section 3.8. And then I'm going to do the Poisson section, chapter 5, before chapter 4. And that is mainly for the benefit of the MAS467 students, because Poisson modelling is useful in their project.